Alright, so I am currently in a hotel right now, and I'm going to be doing a tour of the exit signs, emergency lights, and fire alarms. I am in town just because we are getting our bathroom redone, and I'm going to try getting as many units as I can. So right here we have this generic bug-eye trend emergency light, known as the Hubble CU2. I'm going to test it. It works. Here we have a notifier, BG12. Alright, I'm going to be continuing down a little bit just because anyone cleaning hotel rooms right now might prevent me from testing some things. Here's another CU2, it works. And then here's another one. Here's another CU2. And we got another one. We have a system sensor spectral advanced horn strobe in white. Right here we have a dual light EVE exit sign. And seems to work. Another CU2. Here we have this Lithonia exit sign. It has the body of a Hubble CER, but it is a Lithonia lighting faceplate. It works. Right here we have this Tanlux emergency light. It's not mounted very well. Another dual light EVE. So I'm now in a different stairwell, and we just have many more CU2s. This hotel is a little bit newer. It was like built around 2016 or 2017. So I'm pretty sure just about every unit is original, actually. Just a ton of CU2s. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. We're approaching the first floor now. Probably the hardest floor to test things. We have another notifier, BG12, and then all the way up there we have a dual light EVE exit sign. I cannot test that one, it's way too high. Can't even use my stick. Another CU2. Here in the fitness center we have another advanced horn strobe. We have another CU2. Then we have another CU2 in the corner over here. Here in the restroom, we have a system sensor spectral advanced horn strobe. I do not like this at all. Trust me, it's a restroom. See? There's a horn strobe in there. I do not like that. And as usual, we have a CU2. I'm not gonna check out the area within the pool, but it has literally just the usual stuff, like the notifier BD12s, the dual light EVEs. That one looks a little worn. And then we have another CU2. Why I'm saying this one's worn is I don't see a dual light logo on it. And it's kind of, well, the AC light doesn't seem to really be on, as you can tell. So, here we go. Kind of flickered on the camera a little bit. Oh, I literally just tripped. I'm okay. Holy sh**. Dirty CU2. Here's another dual light EVE exit sign. Last but not least, we are going to end off by the elevators on the 4th floor. So we have another CU2. We have another Spectral Alert Advanced Horn Strobe. And we have a dual light EVE exit sign. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.